Hey everyone, I'm Stuart Deming of XPLR.NASH. I'm currently in one of the fastest growing neighborhoods in Nashville. This is found west of downtown Nashville. This is called The Nations. So the history of this neighborhood is this was a true manufacturing neighborhood west of Nashville. Part of the reason for that, it's based off of the Cumberland River. The old Tennessee State Penitentiary is found over here. There's numerous restaurants, coffee shops, but this has become the mecca of redevelopment for residential neighborhoods in Nashville. You drive down some of these streets and you see all these shotgun style homes. You're like, wow, that used to be a single family home. Now it's a shotgun style home. And so this area has been heavily impacted by the development of Nashville. So let's go see some of the restaurants and some of the attractions. Also, we'll do a little footage of the Tennessee State Prison just so you guys can see it. The Nations were known for being one of the most industrial neighborhoods found in Nashville. As you can see right behind me, industry still exists in the Nations, and most of it is found on the Cumberland River. As you can see right behind me, there's still a lot of gas wells here, there's a train, there's still a lot of industry. But what's really interesting, a lot of the mills and factories found in this area have been stripped down to their studs, and they've been turned into multiple mixed-use buildings. So you can find coffee shops, restaurants, creative offices, and much more here in the Nations. One thing that the Nations is really known for is its surplus of restaurants and coffee shops. Some of the best restaurants found in the Nations include El Paseo, Daddy's Dogs, Smoking Oasis, Frothy Monkey, Red Bicycle, and there's so many more. As of this recording, there are only a handful of attractions found in the Nations. Right behind me is one of them. It's not really an attraction, but it's a really cool thing. This is called the Silo. It's a 15-story mural, and it's depicted of a man that lived in this neighborhood for his entire life. Now let's go see some of the other attractions. One of the best attractions found in the Nations is right behind me. This is Pennington Distilling Co. They're a whiskey maker, a vodka maker, and a liqueur maker. They have tours on the hour, Tuesday through Saturday, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Another really cool place that you should check out in the Nations is Fat Bottom Brewing. They make their own beer, and they also have the Hop Yard. So if you're looking for a place for a large group to hang out and enjoy some delicious beer, this is the place for you. I'm Stuart Deming for XPLR.NASH. Comment below, what neighborhood would you like to see next in one of these little small highlight videos? Also, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to learn more about Nashville, check out NashvilleDailyPodcast.com. We offer insights about neighborhoods, food, and much more. Thank you for exploring with us.